Good morning, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Merritt from Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. And today, our objective, we're going to play a little game. Our objective is going to be to write number sentences that have two add-ins, which are our two parts, and our whole based on the story we hear and the picture we make. Okay? So, we are going to use our part plus part equals whole today. I know they've been having you do whole equals part plus part, but we're going to do part plus part equals whole today to switch it up a little bit to get you used to both of those sentences, okay? So, our first problem, let's get right to it. It says two polar bears are fishing by the lake. One more polar bear comes to fish. How many polar bears are fishing? Okay, so I want us to look over here and see how many they already gave us in our 10 frame. How many is this? 1, 2. So we're going to write 2 for our first part. So our part plus, remember, it says 2 polar bears are fishing by the lake. 1 more came to fish. So we're going to put that 1 more in the box. And then we're going to add the 1 to our number sentence so we don't forget about that part. And then, so 2 plus 1 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Let's check on our fingers. 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then we find our 3 over here. Is this a 3? No. Is this a 3? Yeah. And then we hit the check mark. We got it right. Okay, it's ready for our next challenge. So what I need you to do is I need you to pause me and go grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Or if you want to grab, a lot of you have been using Legos or macaroni. If you want to grab 10 Legos or 10 pieces of macaroni, go ahead. And we are going to work through these number problems together. If you grab Legos and macaroni though, make sure you also grab something to write with because you're going to need to write your number sentences. All right, here's our next story. It says 3 polar bears are playing. Yep, I see 3. So what's our first part? 3. So I'm going to write a 3. And my plus sign. 2 seals join them. So how many seals? 2. Very good. 1, 2. Now this one's a little bit easier because you can see that there's polar bears and seals. Before they were all polar bears. So that's why I want you to get in the habit of writing your number sentence as you read your problem, because it's not always going to be 2 different parts. The parts may be the same animal or object or color or something. So it gets a little confusing when you don't stop and pause, okay? So we have how many seals here? 2. So that's our other part. And then that equals how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 5. Can you find this number 5 to match over here? Which one matches? Tell me when to stop. Very good. Okay. All right. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to do our last one together, and then I'm going to send you on your own challenge, okay? One bunny is playing in the snow. We already heard our first part. I'm going to clear the board so we have more room. One bunny is playing in the snow. 2 more bunnies come to join them. So we got to put our plus sign. And then how many more? 2. 1, 2. So 1 plus, oh, that was not pretty. 1 plus 2, and let's see what that equals. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, are you ready for your challenge now? Okay, good. Your challenge is going to be, I'm going to read the story to you. You're going to pause me and write your number sentence. Then we'll walk through it together. 4 bunnies are playing. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are playing. Go ahead and pause me and write your first part. What did you get? Good job. 4 plus 2 foxes join them. So I'll add them to the picture for us. 1, 2. Go ahead and pause me and write your second part. How many foxes joined them? Good job. 2. So 4 plus 2. Pause me, and I want you to find out how many animals are playing together now. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you hit 6? If you did, that's great. If you didn't, it's okay. We'll keep practicing and try again. So 4 plus 2, we said, equals 6. Our part plus our part equals our whole. Good job. Are you ready for another one? We'll do 2 more. Okay. Listen carefully. 1 seal is playing. 3 seals join. How many seals are playing now? So we have 1 seal is playing. 3 seals join. How many seals are playing now? I want you to pause the video, and I want you to write a number sentence on your own before we even begin this picture. Go ahead. All right, let's see what you got. So 1 seal is playing. That's my first part. Clear the board again. 1 seal is playing, and then we're adding them together. Plus 3 seals join. So let's add them to our picture. 1, 2, 3. What's my other part? 3. 3 more seals joined. How many seals are playing now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now, I want you to start getting in the habit of checking your work. So we said 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, we got 4. Okay, here's your next problem. 2 owls are in a tree. 3 more owls land in the tree. How many owls are in the tree now? Go ahead, pause me, and write your number sentence. 2 owls were in our tree. So we know there's 2. We have to figure out how many more joined them. 3 more. So let's put them in our picture. Now, this is what I've got so far. I want to teach you a new trick. So you know how we usually count on the picture and then we put up our hands? Let's see if we can put up our hands, get a hole, and then count the picture to check our work. So we have 2 and we have 3. Let's see what that equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll write it down and we'll see if we're right. Okay, let's count our owls to see if we get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Okay, so here's your super challenge for the day. I am going to just put up the next 3 cards. I'm not going to walk you through them. This is your challenge. You're going to write the number sentence, and then you can submit a picture or submit on Google Classroom all your hard work for your 3 number sentences. I'll still read you the problems, okay? So I'm going to read you the problems. You're going to write a number sentence, and then you're going to submit your work to your teacher, okay? Or in Google Classroom. Okay, here we go. 2 owls are flying. 2 ducks join them. How many birds are flying now? So I'm going to create the picture for you. You're going to create the number sentence. We're not going to go over our work. I want to see what you know. So listen one more time. 2 owls are flying. 2 ducks join them. How many birds are flying now? Okay. You can pause me, or if you're ready, go ahead to the next problem with me. Problem number 2. 4 dogs are pulling a sled in the snow. 4 more dogs join them. How many dogs are pulling the sled? I'll create your picture to match. 1, 2, 3. I need you to create your number sentence. Pause me. When you have your number sentence, unpause and do our last problem. Problem number 3. 3 dogs are running in the snow. 3 more dogs join them. How many dogs are there now? I'll create your picture again. You create your number sentence. You did a great job on today's lesson. I cannot wait to see your hard work. If you want a super challenge, that was your challenge to write your number sentence. But if you want, you could write number bonds to go with your number sentences. Have a great day, kindergarten. I'll see you later.